Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll discuss about 7 foods for hair growth you should be eating daily. Long, strong and shiny hair is almost everyone's dream, yet not everyone is able to fulfill it. Of course, it is important to keep your scalp healthy, but it's also critical to pay attention to your diet. We have put together a list of power-packed foods for your hair. Each hair strand is made of cells that contain the keratin protein. Eat your way to healthier, stronger hair. You can have dry, frizzy, smooth or silky hair. All these are signs of your inside health. Each strand is made of the cells that contain a tough protein called keratin, and they need to be constantly nourished with minerals and vitamins to make your hair long and strong. Your hair is made of protein, therefore it is important to ensure that you have enough protein in your diet with egg protein. Protein is the building block of hair, and eggs are one of the richest natural sources of protein. Spinach and other dark leafy green. Iron is an essential mineral that your hair cells require. Spinach and other dark leafy green provides iron. In fact, a deficiency of iron in the body may cause hair loss. When your body is running low on iron, oxygen and nutrients are not getting transported to the hair roots and follicles adequately, which can inhibit growth and make your strands weak. Your body requires vitamin C for iron absorption. Therefore, you need to add citrus fruits to your diet. Nutritionists recommend that one lime per day is enough to get your daily dose of vitamin C. Vitamin C is also required for the production of collagen that make capillaries that connect to your hair shafts stronger, ensuring regular supply of nutrients and quick hair growth. Omega-3 fatty acids nourish the hair and support thickening. Since your body cannot produce these healthy fats, you need to derive them from your diet. Almonds and walnuts are really high in omega-3 fatty acids. Similarly, flax seeds can serve as mid-meal healthy snack while also supplying the essential fats to your hair. Biotin is required for cell proliferation and plays an important part in producing amino acids which are required for your hair to grow. The whole grains are rich in biotin along with iron, zinc and B vitamins. Drink carrot juice every day for quick hair growth. The hair contains the fastest growth tissues in the body and vitamin A is required for the growth of every cell. It also helps the scalp in producing the natural sebum oil which keeps it and the roots healthy to boost the hair growth. Vitamin E improves the blood circulation and helps the follicles work more effectively to promote hair growth. It also maintains the oil and pH level balance which if exceeds can clog the hair follicles and stop hair growth. Avocado is great source of vitamin E and it is also rich in heart healthy monounsaturated fats. You can add it to your breakfast salad or blend it into a green smoothie. Thank you for watching.